So the question that we are doing is intersection of two sets. So let's say these are the two sets. We basically have to find the intersection. I think like this is an extremely simple one. What we have to do is this is the first array. This is the second array. Both of them can actually contain duplicate values also. So what we have to do is we have to take the first set. We have to take a hash set and add the values of this in the hash set. Add the second value in the hash set. Figure out which one is bigger one. The one which is smaller, we check for that hash set, are those values existing in the first one, right? So if we look into this, it's like we create it into two different sets and we basically get the output, and that is 4 and 9. Okay, so very simple code. Let's just write the code for that. So we'll say private static integer array and get intersection, and we'll say integer array arr1 comma integer array arr2. Okay, so that is basically what we have to do. So first thing we'll do is we'll take a hash set of integer and we'll say set1 is equal to new hash set. Okay, so that is there. We need another one, so we'll take two of them. The order of complexity for the space is order of n. I mean, basically order of 2n. Order of the time complexity is order of n. Right. So that is it. First we'll do is for each integer int I in arr1. For each value of integer I in arr1, what we will do is we'll say set1 dot add, and we'll say I. That's pretty simple. So that is good. And then we'll do the same thing for the other one. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take a linked list of integer and we'll say list is equal to new linked list. Okay, then what we have to do is we have to check which one is bigger, set1 or set2. So we'll say for if set1 dot size is actually bigger than set2 dot size. So in that case, what we'll do is we'll say for each, we'll check for the set2 values. So integer I in set2. What we'll do is we'll check if set1 dot contains I. If set1 dot contains, which means that there is an intersection, in that case what we'll do is we'll say list dot add, and we'll add the integer I. Okay, that is wonderful. And then we have else set2 was bigger. So this is just an optimization that we are doing. So if in that case it is set1 and this will be set2, and everything else is great. Then we'll actually create an integer array called result is equal to new integer array of list.size, and then we will say result is equal to list.to array for in the result. Okay, and we will return result. Extremely simple. There's no magic in this question. Very, very simple. So we'll actually create an integer array arr1 is equal to we'll see what the values they gave over there. So we'll say first one and the second one, and integer result is equal to get intersection of arr1 comma arr2, and we'll just print some. We'll just put a breakpoint over here and test it out. So the values are 4, 9, 5, 4, 9, and 5, and the second one is 9, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 4, 9, 8, 4. Okay, perfect. That is wonderful. We'll actually say debug, and we start, and we reach the value, and we look at the results over here. So this is 4 and 9, which should be the values. If we look over here, I think 4 and 9, that is our values. Very simple question, solvable in like 5-6 minutes. Okay, thank you.